Welcome to another tasty adventures with me, my friend. Amazing.